Hey, it's Woody here. Welcome to Kooljunk. Today, a short little snippet of a, I'd say it's about a 10 litre fuel tank. So what's that, 2.5 gallons or something? So yeah, it's a little bit rusty with some scale inside. So I'm going to put it on a makeshift cleaner. So yeah, thanks for watching. You can hear those lead sinkers moving around on there. So as you can see, I've been rotating it around. Rotates pretty easily with a couple of hands if I wasn't holding the camera. Yeah, seems to be a lot of scale and stuff coming out, so we'll see how it goes. So I can't hear any more. It's a scale floating around, so I'll blow some air through it. Sounds good. I'll shine a camera down and see how clean it got. So this is the tank after it's finished, and I've painted it and I've rust converted and everything. So yeah, she's a pretty solid tank. That's the outlet there. I'd say it's homemade at some point because it's all been sort of soldered together, and these little mounting brackets have been riveted on. Doesn't seem to leak. Same on that side. So we only do a couple of laps at Perkolilli, so I think that's sufficient amount of fuel in there to do that. So yeah, happy. It turned out really well. So as you can see here, there's this is the old tank that I took out of the 29 frame, and yeah, it is pretty rusty. It's full of mud. I'll cut it up and I'll show you what's going on. That's why I've opted for that smaller one. So here we go. I took the lid off. Oh my God. Have a look at that.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well,
Would you look at that?
yeah, there's
Yeah, there's some big holes. This is beyond repair. That's why I've gone for that small tank. So once again, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's hard putting all these videos together, and full-time job. So yeah, I do it because I love it. All right, cheers.